Hi, this is Marvelyn Brown, and today I want to talk to you about StudioPress. So, if you've taken my blogging course, you know that your theme is the look and feel of your website. This is what your visitors and your customers and clients are going to see when they come to your site. So, they're not going to see all the different bells and whistles, unless they go through those bells and whistles, go through your theme. So you really want to choose a theme that not only gives you a great look and feel, you also want to choose a theme that gives you the functionality or the features that you want for your customers. So when you're thinking about a theme, number one, you want a premium theme because premium themes usually have that additional functionality and they usually have additional security. Now, StudioPress really stands out when it comes to those features, and that's because it's built on the Genesis framework. So when you think about anything that you build, when you build something on a solid foundation, then that is really going to make that, whatever it is, more stable, more secure, and it's going to really give it something that, without that basic foundation, a lot of things end up crumbling and toppling over and having all kinds of stability issues. So Genesis is really a great framework because it's search engine optimized. So what that means is, in the background, you have a clean, optimized set of code. You have also a very smart design when it comes to the way that they design the theme. You're going to be able to, it gets rid of a lot of the clutter and a lot of the disorganization that might happen in the background that might affect your rankings when it comes to the search engines. So usually with the Genesis framework, you are not going to have all of that. You'll have a clean, optimized code and a smart design structure. And that's going to really help your readers and customers find you a lot faster. In addition to that, there's some additional functionality that allows the output of microdata into your site's code. So that means that you're also going to have that additional feature when it comes to your site search engine optimization. The other thing that you're going to get is a responsive turnkey design. So no matter what size screen your customers and clients are using, it will adapt based on the size of the screen. And then unlimited everything. So when it comes to support, you're going to be able to get, unlimited support, unlimited updates. You'll have unlimited websites. Even if you have a number of different domains, you're going to be able to get those domains, out, and you can actually build those domains out with a website without worrying about, developer options and things like that. And the other great thing is when your site, or if your site ever goes down and you have questions, you want to talk to a live person. You don't want to have to go searching through a knowledge base or looking through some, automated text or anything like that. You want to talk to a live person. And so, with that, you're going to be able to get answers to your questions and not necessarily, go through tons and tons of red tape to get an answer. And then, of course, security. That was something that I talked about earlier. And that is, you want to have security. You want to be able, in this day and time with all the hackers and people that are out there trying to get access to your data, you definitely want to have state-of-the-art security. And then, up to the minute updates, you want instant updates. You also want optimization or customization rather without sacrificing speed. So when you, implement things like widgets and your theme options and maybe a few ads on your site and comments and things like that, it can really bog down your website. So you want to be able to get all the different functions on your site that you are looking for, things that will be good for your customers. You want to be able to implement those things without sacrificing speed. So that's basically what the Genesis Foundation will do for your site. So with each premium theme under StudioPress, you're going to get that Genesis framework. Now, the other thing that you can do is if you're looking for hosting, you can also they have all-in-one packages that will include the Genesis framework, your premium theme, and a hosting package for one low price. So let's take a look at the Genesis framework and StudioPress themes for free. And then when you sign up for a WPEngine plan, and let's look at their plans, then you're going to be able to get all of that other stuff, the theme and the Genesis framework, for free. So this is going to be $35 a month, and if you want to get 2 months knocked off, you can prepay for an entire year, and they'll give you 2 months for free. So you can sign up for this plan. You can also, if you're growing and you need more bandwidth or you need more visits per month, you can sign up for the growth plan, or you can also sign up for the scale plan. It just really depends on what your needs are. If you're just starting out, this might be the best fit. However, if you're really growing, you might think about this. The great thing about WPEngine is that it will grow with your company. And as you can see, they have salespeople on site that can really answer your questions. So if you need if you're already signed up and you need support, you can click here. If you have a sales question before you make that purchase, you can click here and have your questions answered. So I'm going to go back to StudioPress because that's where I started out, and just think about, all the things that you're going to get when it comes to building an amazing WordPress site. Now I'm going to also show you the premium themes. So these themes are very clean, very neat, and when your customers or your visitors land on your site, one of these pages, they are going to instinctively know what the next steps are. And that's really what you want. There are a lot of themes out there. You have a lot to choose from, but a lot of things will give you a lot of bells and whistles, but then they're not stable. They may be a little on the busy side, where people can really get bogged down in some of the features, that people have on their blogs. But this is as you can see, very clean, very neat. All the information that you need is in one place, and it's $99.95. So that's what the Daily Dish Pro site is for. Let's see how much the Magazine Pro. Yeah, it looks like all of them are $99.95. Wellness Pro, let's look at that. I like the Wellness Pro, and that one's $99.95. So these themes are really, for a premium theme. And look at all the functionality you get. You get the Genesis framework that we just talked about, accessibility ready, custom header, e-commerce, HTML5 markup. You get a landing page, mobile responsive, theme customizer, theme options, translation ready, and you have a number of layout options. So this is really a great theme. All of these themes are great. It just really depends on your niche, and they're Gutenberg ready because that they just had a rollout of Gutenberg on WordPress. So this is also, it's ready. It's basically been optimized for Gutenberg as well. So these are the things that you really need to look at when you're looking at a theme. And if you have any questions about StudioPress, I'm going to put a link to StudioPress, and I'm also going to put a link for anyone who is looking for a hosting provider. I'll also put a link to the all-in-one package so that you will be able to access those and get more information, and even sign up if you are so inclined. So thanks for watching this video, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.